Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be unboxing another SHTF Mystery Survival box from Budk or Kadels. I am not sponsored by these people whatsoever. I just love their boxes. This is the month of October. And yeah, let's just dig right into this. So the SHTF Mystery Subscription Box is a box that you get in the mail once a month. It ranges in price from basic to the pro and then the elite. This is the basic box and it's only $20 a month plus shipping. So it's not too bad, and you get a decent amount of survival items or SHTF gear inside of this box here. I'm going to be using my, what brand is this? A Defender Extreme Tactical Team Self-Defense and Security Knife. So it's a full tang knife. I got this at a little survival store in Keystone. It's a great place to go touring with your kids and stuff. If you guys haven't ever been there, I do recommend it. Or if you guys have never gone there or ever been there, I recommend it. Gosh. Alright, so just dig right into this. Alright. So as always, in every single box, you've got the paper. Alright. And then you get a card, which is at the bottom. Alright, so in every box is a card, just like this. And on the back you have the tip of the month. This side tells you what's all in the box, this side tells you the tip of the month. And I like to read off the tip, it's just something really cool to read off. So the tip for this month, is tampons are very effective in dealing with deep wounds because they are designed to absorb lots of moisture. They also gradually take the shape of the wound as they swell over time. You can bring lots of them because they're small, lightweight, can be bought almost anywhere, and are pretty inexpensive. One other thing they didn't mention about it is it starts fires. It's actually one of the best tinders, or a really good tinder for starting fire. So that's one thing they left out. So let's go ahead and flip to the item side. As you can see, you got primary box, pro box, elite box. The pro box goes for $50 a month, but you get over $106 worth of stuff in the box. My box, I get over, what is it? There's $47 worth of stuff in this box, and I paid $20 for it. The elite box, you can pay $90 and get $150 worth of gear. I recommend getting the primary box just because you get more of a bang for your buck. Literally, the pro box, you only get 2 extra items, but they're normally pretty big items. So if you guys want, I can go through what's in the pro and elite box after the primary box. This is the stuff I would have gotten if I got the bigger boxes, but the thing cool is if you get the bigger boxes, you get everything else below it. Alrighty, so first thing up in the box, this item retails for $5. It's a 5-pack of mole webbing connecting clips. Right here. So that's pretty cool. 5-pack of mole webbing connecting clips. I've got another thing in the SHTF box for mole webbing, so that's pretty cool. Definitely, I'll probably use that if I get my hands on some mole webbing. The next item in the box is retails for $7. It's a fire starter necklace. I assume that this is it. Let's go ahead and just dig right into here. Oh, that's pretty neat. I don't know if that's gonna fit my neck. That's pretty small. Oh, gosh. So you can just extend that down to there, like that. Like a little pendant, almost. Oh. And as you can see, it comes with your little striker. You got your flint and steel here. And if you want to get a fire going, you just take and get this to work. Oop. See? Sparked a little bit there. There we go. Now it's going. So that's really cool. Very cool. Probably end up wearing this. You'll probably catch me in a few videos wearing this. So definitely a cool piece of item. A cool item there. And yeah, retails for $7. So I mean that's not too bad at all. I mean, kind of wish the flip there, the ferro rod was a little bit bigger, but oh well. It is a paracord necklace as well. So yeah, you've got a bit of cordage, that, and a fire starter. So very cool. Up next in the box is 5 LED angle headlight. This is it right here. Okay. Let's take a little look at it. Pretty nifty. It's an angled flashlight. Need batteries for it, of course, probably. Yep, I need batteries. It's an LED headlamp. It's got 5 different LED lights in there. Oh, that's cool. You unscrew the bottom, and you can change the color of light you want to use. So you just set that on. Whoop. Set that. You could open it up and screw this inside of it. That, or maybe it's interchangeable. Hold on a minute. Let me take a little gander. Oh! Yeah, so you just unscrew that. Set that right in there. And take this and screw this on, and you can change the color of the light coming out of the lantern, or the flashlight. That's very cool. Huh. That's pretty nifty. I mean, I don't know exactly what I would really use like this for exactly. I have like a little disco party while I'm on a survival situation or something. It comes with yellow, green, blue, and red lenses. So, I mean, that's a little different. I'll probably just end up using the light itself. I probably won't use the lenses, but still a very cool item. I got a new flashlight. Alright, up next in the box, this is my favorite part of the box. Every box that comes every month, I'm excited about the knife. This month is a Jungle Survivor 2-piece knife set. It retails for $20. Oh, and that 5 filter LED angle headlamp, that retailed for $10. So, here's the box for it. Looks pretty nifty there. It says Amazon Jungle Survivor, the hunter becomes the hunted. Stonewash Jungle Hunter set. Let's open this up here. It's a big knife. Holy moly. Get rid of those dehydrator packs. Let's look at the smaller one first. So we've got what looks to be, I could tie a knot on the end of this and make it, you know, like a necklace, so I can wear this around my neck, technically. That's cool. It's a cyst open. Decently sharp blade. The handle, though, It does feel like it's made of a cheaper plastic, but I mean that's all right. It does come with, you know, a little bit of cordage, as you can see right in here, a little bit of cordage. But yeah, it's a decent knife. It's pretty sharp. So yeah, I'm liking this knife, definitely. And then up next is the bigger knife. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's got a serrated blade down here, and then up top it's got a nice smooth finish blade. On the back, looks like it's got a what do you call it? It's like a wound ripper. When it goes in, it and you go to pull it out, it rips more flesh out. Same with the top here. Probably use this as like a little striker on the top. A great striker. I would honestly, this is a fixed blade knife, but I would have to say that this knife would probably suit my needs as for a survival situation. The only thing I wish this knife didn't have was the serrated edge. I'm not a huge fan of serrated edges, just because it makes it hard to resharpen the blade. That and kind of makes batoning a little bit harder. But other than that, the metal feels very high quality. It's thick metal. The grip, honestly, on this feels amazing. That it also has a metal hammer, or I could even use that to strike my ferro rod. But yeah, I really like this knife. Pretty cool. Last but not least, in the box is a folding wallet. This retails for $5. I really don't know about this wallet, honestly. I've got myself actually a pretty decent leather wallet. With wallets, you really have to impress me with them. It is literally just a billfold. I guess you could fit cards and stuff in here. Maybe. But yeah, it says folding wallet. It's kind of a small wallet. I think you might crush a credit card or something in it. But that is pretty nifty, especially for, I don't know. Yeah.
You said last but not least. It's definitely last and least.
Yeah, it's definitely last and least. It's all good. It's all good.
Sorry.
But hey, I got some pretty cool items. Honestly, for all the items I did get, I can use 3 out of the 5. So that's not bad. If I get more webbing, then that's 4 out of the 5. Now let's actually dig into this real fast. If I can get it open. Gosh. Okay. They're like little... What the heck? Oh! They're like little... Yeah, they're little clips. You just... hook it on to whatever and slip it on. So, it's kind of cool. Pretty nifty. So real quick, I wanted to go over the Pro box and the Elite box. And the things I would have gotten if I got the Pro and Elite. So as you can see, the Pro box, there's 2 items, both retailing for $30. You will get a sleeping bag with a stuff sack. So I mean, that's that's pretty cool, a new sleeping bag. The only thing, I don't know how well the quality would be of the sleeping bag. But you know, that's all right. And a military watch. So I mean, I've already gotten a watch in the primary box a few months back, so I don't know why I would want another watch, but okay. And then in the elite box, there's 2 more items. It's an M48 Camp Hawk. I assume it's this right here in this picture. It's a little camp tomahawk. So that's pretty cool. And a campfire kit. And I assume the campfire kit would be this one right here. So, I mean, in all actuality, I'm not really missing out on much. So now you can see why I only get the primary box. If you guys are curious why I do get this box, I get survival gear once a month, and it's cheap to get the boxes than it is, you know, to actually buy it on retail on their website. You guys may think, you know, the items are cheap and they're gonna break easy. Yeah, they're gonna break easy, but they're gonna also be easier to replace than breaking a more expensive item. So that's why I like getting the cheaper tools. It does the same exact thing as the more expensive. May take me a little longer because the quality isn't as great, sure. But if it breaks, I can replace it like that. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys. You guys motivate me all the time with your comments, and I greatly appreciate it. I do stuff like this once a week, unboxings, hiking, camping, fishing. I would like to get into solo overnights and like camping or backpacking, so I think that would be super cool. Something for you guys to look forward to in the future. That and ice fishing this winter. So that's another thing to look forward to this winter. So if you guys are into that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys all a part of my community. And as always, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in the next video.